Okay, so now we're going to look at the new 2020 from Cassaro. If you know Cassaro, they are our wild child in the showroom. Lots of color, lots of pattern. They're out of Houston, Texas. They start off with something a little more subtle. You have this really beautiful texture. Just has a nice kind of body to it. Just really nice movement. And then you get into these lovely colors. So we'll start with the neutral, which will be color 1. And we'll get into like a really beautiful two-toned, just lovely neutral as well, color 2. Then now we're going to play a little bit with these caramels, these bronzes, a little bit of blue. And kind of more of your standard blue, you have the navies, a little bit of that royal, kind of mixed with that pretty white and those twisted yarns. And then the last two are going to be a little bit more of your hot colors. So this is going to have a little bit of orange, some really nice paprika colors. And then this last one is going to add a little bit more brown for you. I always love Cassaro because they always just kind of march to their own drum, do their own thing, i.e. this bad boy here. So they took the same ground of the first fabric and they've done this really intricate pattern on here that you can just see how it just has a lot of play, a lot of personality, and we'll go through the colors as well. This one here. You have this red tone. This is going to be more of these deserty colors with the oranges and those more sunset tones. This is that main one we just saw. Oops. The blue, which they're calling an ink. And last, this one that's really fun. It's just kind of like almost this like charcoal with little hints of this kind of nice, I don't want to say gray, but it's just got this nice warmth to it. One that I did not have samples a large piece of are going to be this one here, same ground. So we'll start with this one at the bottom. Sample on that. And you'll go into this more orangey tone. It actually looks a little pinker on the video, but it is more orange. It's really pretty green. You have your blue. And then very similar to the last one of the fabric before. And like I said, they are the wild child. So you have this awesome velvet. You're going to have just some beautiful movement in here. Really, really, really quite pretty. But it definitely is going to have some nice shimmer, some nice sheen. Just definitely something that's a little bit more impactful. 5 different colors on that one there. So next we have the blue. This really awesome, awesome yellow. Super bold, very bright. And then they kind of changed the ground on us and went into this more coppery tone, kind of mixed with the blue printed pattern. And then last, this one here on this gold and green. Just really unique, really interesting combination on that one there. And then last but not least, printed on a velvet, these beautiful cherry blossoms. Have a lot of dimension, a lot of texture, just really, really, really pretty. 4 different colors on this one here, so we're going to play with these yellows and pinks on that dark ground. And then also this is the lead, that main that we just saw the large piece of. The blue, to keep consistency within the collection. And last, going to be your more neutral with these kind of charcoal and more moody colors. So that small collection from them, but that's Cassaro 2020.